I'm Mark from Fine & Country. You join me today in the South Leicestershire village of Shearsby. We're here to look at Yew Tree House. From the outside it looks like a quaint small cottage, but you'd be deceived. It's a very large 4-bedroom detached property with a very large rear garden, double garage, and it's been finished to an impeccable standard throughout. So if you'd like to follow me now, let's take a look around. Join me now in arguably what is the hub of the house. It's part of the large rear extension with a bespoke fitted kitchen, large seating area and bifold doors that lead out towards the garden. It's a really lovely place to be. Join me now in the rear garden, in one of the many seating areas in this garden. We've got views over the landscape garden, water feature, barbecue area. It's just a lovely place to sit. You've got a hot tub in front of you. Yes, I couldn't think of anywhere better to sit and have a glass of wine. I'm now in a little hidden gem of the house. It's the rear of the garden, and if you're a keen gardener, this is a lovely place. You've got raised beds, greenhouses, growing sheds. It's just a great place for a keen gardener. What a beautiful house Yew Tree House is. And I hope you've enjoyed your look around the property today. If you'd like further information or would like to arrange your own personal viewing, please contact me on the details to follow.